Hey guys, welcome back. Coach Jay here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the 17th strategy in the guidebook. As I said before in the previous videos, I have created an ebook for you guys that is free, completely free, that you can check out down below in the link. And in the guidebook, I've included 25 of my favorite and most impactful strategies that I've used to really take control of my space and time. And you can do the same immediately as soon as you finish reading the guidebook. So I highly recommend you check that out first before you watch any of my videos. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific strategy, I'm here doing these videos for each one in the guidebook, so you can follow along and learn more and see these strategies in action. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Alright, so 17th strategy, stop looking at the clock. I know you probably have a clock somewhere near where your desk is or near where you're working. The clock is a great tool to use in the modern day to really track your time and track your progress throughout the day. But it can also be distracting and also be pressured. It can pressure you to really be anxious about what time it is and just kind of micromanage as you go. And so I want to first begin by pointing out that our time is our most important asset. So if you know that, you understand that, you're, other than your space, you want to really take full control and control over time and space. Now, like I said, it's distracting and it can also pressure you to be more in a rushed state of mind than being in a more calm state of mind. So how do you fix this problem? Well, you need to invest in automation tools. There are a bunch of automation tools out today that really help you to do things. Once you set it up, you don't really have to touch it. It will just automatically do it for you. And one of the things that I do is I have a smart speaker, and I have a smart speaker that tells me what time of the day it is that I set. So for example, if I want to be reminded of what time it is every hour, then I would go into the settings for my smart speaker that I've purchased and just type in the hour and a message to tell me and remind me that it's time to take a short break. That way I don't have to constantly look at the clock as I'm working, so that I can be more focused on what it is that I have to do and I have to get done. One other thing that these automation tools have is these triggers, and that's kind of like what I explained right before. Is with these triggers, you can actually set them up so that it will remind you instead of you having to manually go in and look at the time or stuff like that. And you can get really creative too. Like if you have like an hourly schedule that you want to set up, and each hour you have something different, which I really recommend, and I actually talked about it in the previous videos. But if you do have an hourly schedule, you can actually, in the settings, you can write and type out like a message that points you to the direction of that activity. So for example, if you're doing like content creation or something like that for that hour, you can manually type out the message, get ready to do content, and the smart speaker will actually say the thing that you typed in clearly for you. So that's one way to do it. Another way to use automation tools is with lighting. So for those of you who don't know, there's a Philips, the brand that is very famous and known for creating these automated lights that you can use to pretty much set triggers and to change the lighting setting so that you don't necessarily have to turn on and off or even change the lighting by yourself. Once you set it, the beautiful thing about it is once you set it, you're done. You don't have to keep going back to it. It goes off of a routine, so it will help you to stay focused, and it will really just make things more. You'll have more peace of mind, right? Because you will be able to focus on the stuff that you're working on right now, and also you won't be disturbed by the clock or the time. So all these things are here to help you and to take full advantage of the technology that we have. So I'll include a link to these two devices down below that you can check out. I really recommend you invest in these. These will help you to take control of your time and not be distracted by it, so that you can get as much focus as you need to do the work that is required. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like I said, I'll be doing a video for each strategy in the guidebook, so make sure you check out the guidebook first before you watch any of these videos. So I'll see you in the next one.